I'm Dr. Devin. We're doing a great little adjustment today. Hi, sweetie. Good to see you. How's she been doing?
She's been doing real good.
Okay, good. So, talk a little bit about just what you guys came in with and how she's been doing.
We came in because she was a little fussy when she was born, squirming and everything. Like she was very uncomfortable. So we started bringing in an adjustment because we've always been told that, you know, when they're born, they're always pulled and yanked and all that. And as us as adults, sometimes get a little bit heavy with them. That when we pick them up, we're pinching and pulling as well. So, you know, they're so delicate that sometimes they need an adjustment as we do.
Yeah, that's very well said. Go ahead and hold her chest to chest. Good. So the adjustment, especially on infants and even toddlers, is very, very gentle. Just a very little bit of force in the right direction, but nothing that would ever hurt them. Okay, I'll be right back in just a sec. And it can help with everything from attention deficit as they get older to going to the bathroom to sleep at night and call it. Okay, well, one more time, lay her on her back.
And for her being only 3 months, she does get a good 7 hours sleep.
That's wonderful. Good for
Yep.
you guys. Okay, sweetie, you did great today, and we'll see you guys next week.
All right, thank
Okay,
you.
great. Thanks so much, guys.